Sup fam, it's Musashden. This week's video is about another fan character, Peaches Dixon, one of my many Walking Dead OCs. She's married to Merle in their story, and if you want to know how the hell that happened, you can read it. It's called Minority, and I have a link in the description. With Rick's final episode coming up, I thought about why I created Peaches in the first place. I created her between season 2 and season 3 of the show, and the show's progression was pissing me off. They put that Hispanic family on a bus, never to be seen again. The only black woman had killed herself. Michonne was leaving a lot to be desired, and it seemed like every time there was another black man in their group, they would find 5 to kill off for shits and giggles. I created a group of survivors that were all minorities, plus Merle. Peaches and Merle were not supposed to be the focus of the story, but when reviews started coming in for it, they hated her. Let's be real, they hated her. Peaches showed up and told every white character that they were not the boss of her, and of course she comes off as a jerk, but as her story progresses, she just gets better and better, unlike the writing on this show. But it was so much fun for me to write Peaches and Merle interacting with all the other characters that didn't get their love that they became the main focus of the story. Plus, I felt as though Merle's character deserved a redemption arc just like Daryl got. A lot of people forget that Daryl was just as racist as his brother. He rode that motorcycle with the SS on it for nearly 4 seasons. Yeah, y'all forgot that, didn't you? I hope to one day make a video about why Daryl was problematic. The story was, and in some ways still is, a parody of how ridiculous the canon story goes. The canon writing, it's awful. Yes, I think Walking Dead is basically just Rick meeting other white men that are just like him and him getting pissed at them so much that a bunch of other people die because of his bad decisions. But I guess that's the point of it, right, Robert Kirkman? My character Peaches is a solid throat chop to that plotline. But I digress. They're the professionals, and I'm just some nerd making fan characters and writing goofy stories about it. But it's time for Peaches' speed draw, so enjoy! Alright, here's the finished product. You can see the full res in my DeviantArt gallery. And if you want to know how Merle got so lucky as to get such a great wife, you can read their story on fanfiction.net. I'm the queen of giving people awesome black wives. That's it for this week's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I update every Friday, and you can also follow me on DeviantArt and Instagram. I'm Musashden here, there, and everywhere. Thanks for watching.